Looking for reliable heating and hot water without the bulk or the bills? Meet the EHC all-in-one boiler and cylinder, your compact comfort solution. It's a boiler and cylinder in one. Electric-powered, whisper-quiet, and available in sizes ranging from 150 to 250 litres. Choose the basic package for everyday efficiency, or upgrade to the ultimate smart controls and built-in protection for total peace of mind. Whether you're retrofitting or building new, the EHC AIO fits your space and your lifestyle. EHC's all-in-one. Comfort made simple.